Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Mike Davis with Informed Entrepreneur, and this afternoon we are interviewing Mark England. He is with AdvantaClean, located in Cary, North Carolina. Good afternoon, Mr. England. Please introduce yourself and tell us a little bit about you. What I'm asking specifically for is to begin with, is your elevator pitch. For those that don't know what that is, that's about 45 seconds to 60-second introduction about what it is that you do and what it is that the services that you offer.
Okay. Yeah, my name is Mark England, and I'm the owner of the AdvantaClean of Environmental of Cary, Apex. We do property restoration and indoor air quality. Our services include fire, flood, storm damage cleanup, mold remediations, odor remediations, air duct cleanings, anything that has to do with the air you breathe where you work or live, we can help you out with.
Perfect. Thank you. So tell us a little bit more about what it is that makes you and your company special.
Well, AdvantaClean is a nationally based company. I own the Cary Apex office. The headquarters are based in Charlotte, North Carolina.
Okay.
And all of our offices are held to a very high national standard for doing mold remediations, water cleanup, fire cleanup, air duct. We have to have all of our certifications. Our technicians have to be certified, and we have to live up to the company standards.
Good. So you're not a couple of guys in a truck with some equipment.
No. You'll see when you get on our website that we're not a couple guys in a truck.
Right. Right, and I have looked through your website, and as I did too, it's pretty obvious that you're professionals at what you're doing, and this is not a small time operation. Which, if I were in the situation where I would need what you're doing, I'd want to make sure that you're professionals at what you're doing. So what else is it that you would say that you do for people?
Well, we get into situations where people have just had a traumatic event either to their house or where they've worked or something like that. And, one of my goals is to get in and alleviate people's concerns.
Oh, good, yeah.
Let them know that I'm going to take care of the problem from start to finish, from whenever we begin work until they finally move back into their house. I'm going to be there, or my crew's going to be there to help them out. Because that's truly where I find the satisfaction in the job is working with people and getting them through tough times, whether it's a flood, whether it's mold, it doesn't really matter. Every person is important, and we treat them that way.
Perfect.
And water losses, we walk them through, or insurance claims, we walk them through the whole thing. We help them, so they're not there working with the insurance company by themselves.
Oh, that's great. Now, I wouldn't have known that just from looking at what you're saying, but that's good. So you're helping really through the whole process of getting their home back together.
Because we do it all the time, and normally, a lot of times this is a person's one and only time they're going to work with an insurance company. Mm-hmm. And they're not going to know what to do, and we're going to be there to help them out and give them the advice and of all of our experience doing this.
Cool. Now, so it goes beyond just the physical reconstruction. I mean, there are these other aspects to making sure that it all happens, and you're there for all of that. That's great.
Yeah. Yep, we are.
Perfect. So is there anything else you'd like to add?
No, like I say, it's all of our guys are committed to helping the people out that they're working with.
Perfect.
We all have our certifications, and we're on call 24/7.
Okay.
Anytime we're needed.
Well, that's good. That's a good addition, I think, at the end there to, right? So sometimes these things don't happen between 9 and 5. It's good that you're right.
Actually, normally they don't.
Right.
So.
No, I mean, unfortunately, I can imagine. It's good to have somebody on the other end of the phone that's ready to help. If God forbid something like this is happening to them, no matter when it's happening.
Exactly.
So what's the best advice you've received or book that you've read that's really helped you in your business?
I think really the best book that I've read, and I've recommended it to my daughters as they've moved on to their careers, is a book by Dale Carnegie, How to Win Friends and Influence People. Because it's all about, I mean, it's all about listening and understanding people and working with people, which is what we have to do all the time. You know, it's great to have all the technical knowledge in the world, and I'm not downplaying that at all, but by the same token, you really have to know how to work with people.
Yes, I think both of them, yes.
To get along and have a successful career. That's always been my philosophy.
Perfect. Thank you so much. Again, I wanted to just let everybody know that we've been speaking with Mark England from AdvantaClean, and in a moment, you're going to see on your screen here how to contact him. I'm sure that most people would say they don't want to have to, but if they have to and they're in that situation, to make it as easy as possible to reach out so that you can get the assistance that you need. Again, thank you very much for joining us, Mark. And this is Mike Davis for Informed Entrepreneur, and let people know, and we'll let people know how they can reach you.